Well, I made the newspapers by being lost in the Sierra. When we had one child and Anne was 8 months pregnant with the second child, Polly, I went with her father on a supposedly one-day trip to the Sierras. And I got separated from the group voluntarily and spent a night shivering in the snow.
It must have been really scary.
It wasn't for some reason. I remember how beautiful it was, actually, the snow on the Manzanita. It was in June. It might have snowed, but I wasn't supposed to be separated from the group. And they came back the next day and found me. And so I made newspaper stories, page 2 of the Chronicle. I even made the New York Times. I have a collection still of the newspaper stories, and that was June 6th and 7th, 1964. So I still celebrate that once in a while. The 50th anniversary of that was last year. And there was a whole bunch of strange events around that that were unusual, yeah. Like it never occurred to me when I was lost that anybody would be looking for me. I don't know why I thought that. Yeah, when you stay up all night, you get certain irrational thoughts, I think. That was one of the, probably the most famous I've been, almost the most famous I've been.